Warning, the time wasted watching this video is non-refundable.
You are watching Dirty TV.
Hey, what's up guys? Artist Dirty Donnie Gillies here with my hand solo and Carbonite build. This was a tricky build. It took me about a year to get all the parts for this. So I saw this at Comic-Con a few years ago. Sideshow Toys made one, and I think they go for 7 or 8 grand. I can't remember exactly, but I saw it and I was like, wow, that's really cool. Like, I want to have one of these, but I'm not going to spend that kind of money on it. So I was kind of searching around eBay, looking for rare Star Wars finds, and I found the fiberglass mold for sale, and I think it was about $350 or $400 of the hand and Carbonite. Somebody had popped it off the original at one point and made a whole bunch of them. So every once in a while they pop up on eBay, and I just happen to have that extra $350, and I'm like, I'm gonna buy this and make something out of it. So I bought the fiberglass, and then I was thinking, man, it would actually be cool to build this, and I started searching around online, and I found this really cool website called The Dented Helmet. It's a message board, and they basically had a whole bunch of different people that had done hand and Carbonite builds. So I started talking to people and kind of poking around, and I found a lot of the stuff that you need to make this hand and Carbonite. We're going to go through it in this whole video. I'm going to show you all the photos and stuff, finding all the stuff to make this. Like I said, it took me a year to find all the stuff to make it. It took me about, I don't know, maybe 2 weekends to build it. So, put it all together, like once everything was ready to go.
Dirty Donnie will be right back.
The hardest part was the hero panel, this guy right here. This one was so hard to get all the parts for and put together, and I found a guy that makes the basically the LEDs and the correct lighting that go inside that, and then there's another guy that makes the greeblies, all the little parts that go over top of it. So to actually get a working one, make it working was tough. And, this is Elmer's super glue. I put a whole bunch of glue on there, and then I painted it and stuff, and I got the box schematics also from the Dented Helmet. Getting the box schematics was huge. I sent it off to my friend Wade, who has a CNC router, and I hired him to make me the correct box. So that was really cool. You can make it yourself, but I had the box made. So when I got it, it was like perfectly ready to go. I just had to paint it and put all the pieces on. So, all right, there you have it. There's my hand and Carbonite build. I'm gonna do a little slideshow and answer whatever questions you got underneath below. Thank you, artist Dirty Donnie Gillies. Enjoy. Today is May the 4th. May the 4th be with you, I guess. I don't know, kind of cheesy, but hey, there you go.
You are watching Dirty TV.
what's up? Artiste Dirty Donnie Gillies here. Just set up. I'm gonna go do my thing. I gotta check the swap meet out. There's a big line outside, and yeah, I don't know. It's gonna get crazy, so better go do this while I got time. Pin Au-go-go.
Donnie TV.
Wait, hold on. Is this Donnie TV?
Warning, the time wasted watching this video is non-refundable.
Awesome.